On video 58, it really was a bit worrying that I was getting a very low efficiency, was 39% on this buck boost module here, and that was really bugging me. So what I decided to do is try to investigate. So let me turn this on, and right now it's under load. Let me take it off load. 5 volts. On load 4.66 volts, and also 6.23 amps. What I ended up doing is removing the boost section here. That apparently was defective. That's the only component I removed. I left the capacitor, I left all the small components in there, and right now, as I said, the weird thing is happening is it's now 6.3. That's on the input side. We're measuring the current. So 6.3, output voltage is 4.6, 4.7. Measuring the output side current, and as you can see, I'm still having the 4.7 and 1.032 amps. I did some rough calculations before, and that pretty much amounts to about a little just over 5 watts on the output side, and then on the input side it ends up to be 7.2 watts at 0.6 by 12. That actually works out to be about 71%, which basically is pretty much bang on what the manufacturer says of 73%. So essentially this was defective, boost converter. Now let me don't completely actually say that. It may be, it says national semiconductor. Number one, it could be a fake component, and basically that's why it didn't function well. Number two, it could just be a defective component, again why it didn't function well. Number three, it could be the design that they did on this board to do a buck and boost together was not actually effective. Maybe they just slapped together the two recommendations and put them together, and it wasn't very good a design. Conclusion is it didn't work. Removing this worked. Whether you will have the same luck if you buy a similar board, that's, well, I can't say. But I think I'm going to end up buying another one of these just to test that theory. This is really only $3 US, so neither here nor there. So I'm going to get another one. It's going to take a couple months, but when I do, I want to test it and see if I get similar results.